Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are great. Today I am going to share a very wonderful name that is Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo is the world famous footballer. So I am writing a very wonderful and stunning calligraphy name for him. So as you guys are looking at I am writing his name. Now I am writing I, and after that I am going to write A. So in such a way I am going to write his complete name. So if you guys want to write your name by me, so then you must comment in the comment section. I will write your name. And last, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Okay, so I'm really thankful to all of you. And last time going to write it in Urdu as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.